Many people may not be aware of this, but investing in shares and stocks of real estate properties can be highly advantageous in building your wealth. Such investments have the potential to increase your wealth and provide passive income along with tax benefits. Real estate investment trusts, or EITs, present a valuable opportunity to invest in real estate without the need to personally own, operate, or finance properties. Now, we will introduce 8 of the most profitable real estate stocks to consider purchasing in 2023. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you are interested in this kind of video content, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. Prologis Incorporated, PLD. Prologis is a real estate investment trust, or EIT, that specializes in industrial properties related to logistics, such as warehouses and distribution centers. According to analyst Michael Elliott, Prologis has strategically positioned many of its logistics centers in highly sought-after locations that require specific zoning entitlements. This factor poses a challenge for competitors looking to enter these markets. In contrast, Prologis' property portfolio stands out from its competitors due to its advantageous locations and scarcity in areas where land and access are limited. Elliott believes that this portfolio holds significantly more value than the company's reported book value of $3.5 billion. Elliott anticipates that the current difficult financing conditions will hinder the growth of supply in the industry. As a result, he projects a minimum of 38% revenue growth for Prologis in the present year. The Certified Financial Research Administrator has issued a strong buy rating for PLD stock, with a price target of $141. On June 7th, the stock closed at $128.06. American Tower Corporation, AMT. American Tower operates the largest collection of wireless communications and broadcast towers globally, operating independently. Analyst Michael Elliott suggests that the increasing popularity of mobile video, unlimited data plans, and the utilization of mid-spectrum 5G network bands will serve as long-term factors driving demand for American Tower's services. He also states that any risks associated with an economic slowdown and the integration of acquisitions have already been fully considered in the stock's valuation. Elliott further highlights that even in regions like Africa and Latin America, the penetration of 4G networks remains moderate, indicating significant potential for international growth. Elliott projects a minimum of 3% revenue growth for American Tower in 2023. The Certified Financial Research Administrator has given the stock a buy rating and set a price target of $230. On June 7th, the stock closed at $190.93. Equinix Incorporated, EQIX. Equinix holds the position of being the largest operator of data centers worldwide. Analyst Michael Elliott asserts that Equinix benefits from a revenue base that is highly recurring, resulting in substantial earnings predictability. Furthermore, the significant costs and infrastructure required for data centers create a significant barrier to entry for potential competitors. Elliott emphasizes that Equinix is the preferred cloud partner for numerous leading technology companies globally. Additionally, Equinix Metal Service has exhibited impressive growth in terms of bookings. The company also has ongoing projects aimed at enhancing its capacity. According to the Certified Financial Research Administrator, EQIX stock has received a buy rating, along with a price target of $797. On June 7th, the stock closed at $738.95. Public Storage, PSA. Public Storage holds the distinction of being the largest proprietor of self-storage facilities in the United States. Analyst Michael Elliott asserts that the company possesses a diverse portfolio of high-quality assets. Furthermore, the self-storage market is currently experiencing positive demand trends, which Elliott expects to continue throughout 2023. This scenario creates the potential for increased rental rates and margins without jeopardizing occupancy rates. Elliott also highlights that Public Storage's robust balance sheet positions the company favorably for additional acquisitions, allowing for expansion and an enhancement of the portfolio's quality. The Certified Financial Research Administrator has assigned a buy rating to PSA stock, accompanied by a price target of $320. On June 7th, the stock closed at $291.87. Realty Income Corporation, O. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust, REIT, that focuses on owning, developing, and managing retail real estate in the United States, with a particular emphasis on single-tenant buildings. Among the stocks mentioned, Realty Income offers the highest dividend yield at 5.1%. Analyst Michael Elliott suggests that Realty Income is better shielded from the challenges of the weak retail market compared to many of its competitors. This is attributed to the company's higher exposure to tenants in non-discretionary and service-oriented sectors, such as grocery stores, convenience stores, and drugstores. Elliott believes that investors may not fully recognize the company's ability to withstand a decline in consumer spending. The Certified Financial Research Administrator has given O stock a buy rating and set a price target of $70. On June 7th, the stock closed at $61. Welltower Incorporated, Welltower is a real estate investment trust, REIT, focused on investing in various healthcare facilities, including senior housing, specialty care facilities, and medical office buildings. As of June 7th, the stock has shown the best year-to-date performance among the stocks mentioned, with a 24.6% increase when factoring in dividends. Analyst Michael Elliott suggests that the risks associated with COVID-19 are diminishing, and Welltower's prospects will continue to improve over the next 12 months. The senior housing market is experiencing favorable supply and demand conditions, and Elliott believes that the increasing elderly population in the United States will further drive demand in the coming years. The Certified Financial Research Administrator has assigned a strong buy rating to Wells stock, with a price target of $87. On June 7th, the stock closed at $80.42. Alexandria Real Estate Equities Incorporated, ARE. Alexandria Real Estate Equities is a company that owns properties encompassing office and laboratory spaces for the life sciences industry. As of June 7th, the stock has exhibited the poorest performance among the stocks mentioned, with a year-to-date decline of 15.6%. Analyst Kenneth Leon emphasizes that Alexandria holds a prominent position as the market leader in life science real estate. Leon considers the stock's weakness in 2023 as an opportunity for investors to buy in. He states that the life sciences real estate market demonstrates secular growth and exhibits greater resilience to economic downturns compared to other property types. Additionally, Leon highlights that Alexandria's tenant base of high-quality organizations safeguards the company from risks associated with biotech failures. The Certified Financial Research Administrator rates our stock as a buy and has set a price target of $147. On June 7th, the stock closed at $121.79. Ventas Incorporated, VTR. Ventas is a real estate investment trust, REIT, specializing in healthcare facilities, including specialty care facilities, senior housing, medical office buildings, and hospitals. According to analyst Michael Elliott, as the challenges posed by COVID-19 diminish, high-quality senior housing presents a compelling investment opportunity with the potential for significant growth over the next 10 years. This growth will be driven by positive trends in supply and demand, coupled with an aging population. Elliott estimates that the population of Americans aged 80 and above will experience an annual growth rate of 4.4% from 2023 to 2030, while healthcare spending is projected to increase by 5% annually during the same period. The Certified Financial Research Administrator recommends a buy rating for VTR stock, with a price target of $53. On June 7th, the stock closed at $46.39. With real estate investment trust, many trades are under high volume, meaning you can get into and out of a position quickly. That's why it's best to invest in buying real estate stocks if you don't want to own any more properties or you just want to have a passive income. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.